Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about my eyebrows. I recently made the decision to not tweeze my eyebrows until December. Most of you guys were like, actually no, all of you guys were really supportive of this little decision of mine. And it actually came, like, it was an idea that one of you subscribers had actually commented about, because I had mentioned that my eyebrows are very sparse. And one of you had said that, why don't you like let it grow out? It takes like 3 to 4 months. So I'm like, okay. And I thought about it, and I mean, why not, right? And it's funny too, because I was looking at some of my really old videos. Like, I know a lot of you recently joined me and subscribed within like the last year, but I actually started my channel like 5 years ago, and I was like off and on about it. But anyways, besides the point, I was doing a review on something, and I was looking at my eyebrows, and I saw that my eyebrows were like so much fuller, and it looked really nice. And I was like, geez, what the hell did I do to my eyebrows in the last couple of years? So obviously I went a little overboard a few times, trying to shape them and everything. I've always liked the shape of my eyebrows, but I've noticed that they are a little bit thin. So my goal is to grow them out. I have not tweezed them at all this month. The last time I tweezed them was sometime in July. I don't remember. Usually I tweeze them at least once a week. When I have the shape down and I'm like doing like serious maintaining, I'll do it a couple times a week. But I haven't at all this month. So I just want to see, I want to show you guys some of the growth that I've had already. Because I posted a picture the other day. I'm going to get close. If you guys could see, like here, this has all started kind of growing in. Same thing here. So that being said, I'm not going to touch like the shape here or anything. I really want this to grow in this. And I would love for my tails to grow in a little bit more, because that's kind of where like I'm really missing hair. So as far as upkeep and everything, I will be tweezing in between my eyebrows right here. I don't really have that much hair there. I have a few, like maybe 5 strands, but I am growing hair. I'm gonna get real close to you guys again. I am getting hair like here, 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 same thing, here, here, here. Obviously that's not what I need as far as like the shape that I'm growing back. So what I'm gonna do is I'll basically, I'm using a comb, I'm gonna kind of go like this. This is the lowest point of my eyebrow. And I'm just going to kind of go like this. Like, let's pretend that that's an imaginary line or something. I'm going to tweeze everything here down, but I'm not going to like mess with here. So let me make it a little bit easier, because I'm just drawing imaginary, oh my goodness, I'm drawing like imaginary lines. I'm gonna take a white eyeliner brush. So if that makes sense, anything below this line, I'll tweeze just to keep this part of my eye not so hairy. So same thing with this one. So this will be my upkeep, let's say, in the meantime, while my eyebrows are growing back. I don't know how much they're actually going to grow back. I'm hoping that they do a decent amount, or just enough to kind of like make them look a little bit fuller in certain areas. But this is going to be my upkeep, so I'll do a little tweezing while we're here. I'm obviously going to fast forward it so it's not like super time consuming. You don't want to sit there and watch me tweeze my eyebrows, but that's exactly like this area. That's what the only part that I'm going to be tweezing from now on. I don't necessarily think that I'm gonna get hair like this thick, but I just want to keep it as a guide. It's funny, with this eyebrow, I have more like random stragglers. This one's filling in nicer than my left eyebrow for whatever reason. So that's it for the under part of my brows, and then that tweezer's no good. I'm gonna just go right in between my eyebrows and get the little bits that are growing there. Now, I usually, when I do tweeze my eyebrows, like often, I'll tweeze underneath, I'll kind of get here, I'll clean up to make them look nice and like defined. I'm not going to do that. So now with the whatever's left over, I'm just going to kind of blend that out. So basically, it's just going to be like a cleanup of this part of my eyebrows. Then the other thing I'll do is I'm going to be trimming certain parts. Like, for example, if I kind of brush this up, you'll see that I have some hairs that need to be trimmed. So I'll do that. I'm just going to get my scissors. These are actually like scissors for people that sew. I like it because it's hard to... See if I have to, oh. It's kind of hard to comb them up, hold it this way, and like trim. So I just prefer these because I just have to go up and down and they kind of lay this way. It's just easier for me. So I'll do that. I'll trim like this little one that's like sticking out. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. That's gonna be my upkeep. If you guys want like a monthly video, like to check in, let me know, comment down below. I'll definitely do that. I have high hopes. I'm hoping that this really grows out. The other thing that I'm gonna be doing is, where is it? I don't know, some of you know I do have an Etsy store. So I make like highlighters and I make balms. So I'm kind of experimenting with one, and I'm going to be making it with a lot of like castor seed oil, coconut oil, and I'm going to use that as a treatment. So I have been doing that. I have just a little bit in here. So I'll just kind of put this on at night and see how that helps. So, all right, if any of you guys are doing this too, let me know. I know one of you is doing it, growing out their eyebrows, or if you're thinking about it, I say let's do it together, because it's true, we're really not going anywhere anytime soon. Most of us are home for the most part, and you know, it's easy. We'll just leave it alone. We'll let it grow. We'll just tweeze out here, and then we should be, you know, we should be good. So let me know if you guys want to join me on this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you want to subscribe to me or follow me on Instagram, definitely do that. I'm pretty responsive there. I'm pretty responsive here. And, you know, I love to hear from you guys all the time. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.